Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that two athletes have their pulses in beats per minute monitored while they exercise. One athlete alternates brisk running with walking, while the other athlete jogs at a constant pace. We're given a graph which is showing the athlete's heart rate at 30-second intervals. We're asked which of the following statements accurately compares the average rates at which the pulses of the two athletes change. So we don't have to read these right now. All we have to know is that we have two rates of change and we have to compare them. So we see the jogger. We have a line almost perfectly, a linear relationship between the time and the beats per minute. And we notice for the other person, the alternating running and walking, their heart rate continually goes up at a really fast rate, much faster than the jogger. And then it slows down as they get closer to the end. So at the beginning, the alternator has a faster rate of change of heart rate, but towards the end, as it slows down to almost nothing, the jogger with that same rate of change catches up. So at the beginning, the alternator is higher, at the end, the jogger is higher. Which of those does which of the answers does it line up with? B, in the interval from 1 to 2 minutes, the rate of change of pulse for the athlete who jogs only is of a lesser magnitude. And from 3 to 4 minutes, the rate of change of pulse for the athlete who alternates running and walking is of a lesser magnitude. So B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.